Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here with us today. We have for you 10 mind-blowing cleaning hacks that you need to try today. In this video, we'll unveil a treasure trove of cleaning hacks that are not only mind-blowing, but are guaranteed to revolutionize the way you approach your cleaning tasks. Plus, if you stick around until the very end, you're in for a fantastic bonus hack that's going to leave you speechless. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the great videos we have in store for you. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into these 10 extraordinary cleaning hacks. Our first hack is like a magical potion for many of your cleaning needs. It involves the dynamic duo of baking soda and vinegar. You know them as common kitchen ingredients, but did you know they're powerhouse cleaners too? When combined, baking soda's gentle abrasiveness and vinegar's natural acidity create a potent cleaning concoction. Picture this: you've got stubborn grease stains on your stovetop or grime buildup on your kitchen sink. Mix equal parts baking soda and vinegar to form a thick paste. Apply this paste to the offending areas, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then scrub away with a scrub brush. The fizzing action and abrasive nature of the paste will lift away even the most stubborn stains, leaving surfaces gleaming like they're brand new. And now, the microwave, that trusty kitchen companion, often bears the brunt of our culinary experiments. If your microwave is starting to resemble a science experiment gone wrong, then hack number 2 is for you. Introducing the Citrus Power Microwave Cleaner. Grab a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze its juice into a microwave-safe bowl. Toss the lemon halves into the bowl and add a splash of water. Pop the bowl into the microwave and heat on high for about 3 to 5 minutes. The steam generated by the lemon-infused water will soften those stubborn, dried-on food splatters. Now, all you need to do is take a damp cloth and wipe away the mess effortlessly. Not only will your microwave be squeaky clean, but it'll also smell delightfully fresh. Attention, pet parents! We all adore our furry friends, but dealing with pet hair is an ongoing battle. Introducing hack number 3. The Rubber Glove Savior. Forget about those sticky lint rollers or cumbersome vacuum cleaners. Instead, equip yourself with a pair of slightly damp rubber gloves. Put them on and gently run your gloved hands over surfaces like your couch, carpets, or even your car seats. The magic of static electricity combined with the slightly damp surface of the gloves will attract and trap pet hair like you wouldn't believe. It's a quick and eco-friendly way to keep your living spaces looking sharp and pet hair-free. Hack number 4 is perfect for anyone who's tired of unsightly scuffs and marks marring the beauty of their home. Guess what? Your bathroom's trusty toothpaste is about to pull double duty as a powerful cleaner. Grab a non-gel toothpaste, the white variety works best, and a soft cloth. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste onto the cloth and gently rub it over the scuffed or scratched area. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste work like magic, gradually buffing away the imperfections. It's astonishing how a simple dental hygiene staple can restore the luster to your furniture and walls. Remember, stay to the end for an exciting bonus hack. You don't want to miss this one. Let's shed some light on hack number 5, which is guaranteed to leave your windows streak-free and your outlook on life crystal clear. Traditional window cleaning methods often leave behind unsightly streaks that can drive anyone crazy. But here's a secret weapon: old newspapers. Yes, you heard that right, newspapers. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spritz your windows with this magical solution and then, instead of reaching for paper towels, grab a few sheets of crumpled newspaper. Wipe down your windows using the newspaper in a circular motion. The ink's texture acts as a natural polishing agent, banishing streaks and leaving your windows gleaming. Now, let's take a moment to talk about ambience. A clean home isn't just about appearances, it's also about creating an inviting atmosphere. Hack number 6 introduces the power of essential oils to transform your living spaces. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that offer both pleasant fragrances and potential health benefits. To create a natural air freshener, combine your favorite essential oil with baking soda. Drop a few essential oil-infused baking soda sachets in places like your closet, shoe rack, or bathroom. The baking soda acts as an odor absorber, while the essential oil imparts a wonderful aroma. Say so long to synthetic air fresheners and hello to a refreshing, chemical-free environment. Raise your hand if dusting is your least favorite chore. Well, get ready to reclaim your enthusiasm because hack number 7 turns an everyday laundry item into a dusting superstar. It's the humble dryer sheet. Dryer sheets are designed to reduce static cling in your clothes, but they're equally effective at repelling dust. Simply grab a dryer sheet and use it to wipe down surfaces like blinds, electronics, and even baseboards. The anti-static properties of the dryer sheet will cause dust to cling to it, leaving your surfaces cleaner for longer. It's a simple yet genius way to keep your home looking immaculate. Let's switch gears for a moment and talk about hack number 8. It's perfect for those who want to ensure a good night's sleep on a fresh and clean mattress. Believe it or not, vodka isn't just for cocktails, it's a surprisingly effective cleaning agent too. Fill a spray bottle with plain vodka and give your mattress a light misting. As the alcohol evaporates, it takes with it any unwanted odors, germs, and even dust mites that might be lurking beneath the surface. This hack is especially handy for mattresses that can't be easily cleaned or laundered. The result? A mattress that not only feels rejuvenated but also smells wonderfully neutral. Hack number 9 is a fundamental cleaning technique that often goes overlooked. Sweeping. Sweeping might seem like a straightforward task, but there's a method to ensure you're effectively removing dirt and debris without creating a mess. Here's a tip: always start sweeping from the outer edges of the room and work your way toward the center. This prevents dirt and particles from being pushed back into areas you've already cleaned. Once you've gathered the bulk of the debris, follow up with a damp mop to capture any remaining dust. By adopting this technique, your floors will not only be cleaner but also more polished. Our featured hack number 10 is a kitchen game changer that will leave your garbage disposal performing like a champ. Say hello to vinegar ice cubes. To create these marvels, simply freeze white vinegar in an ice cube tray. Once frozen, drop a few vinegar ice cubes into your disposal and run it. The ice helps to sharpen the disposal's blades, while the vinegar naturally cleans and deodorizes the unit. This hack is particularly beneficial after disposing of pungent food scraps, or to combat any lingering odors. It's a small effort that yields big results. And now, here's a little treat, our bonus hack, that's sure to leave your bathroom sparkling and you feeling accomplished. Introducing the ultimate shower cleaner. Mix equal parts dish soap and white vinegar in a spray bottle. After every shower, give your shower walls and floor a generous spritz of this magical solution. The dish soap's grease-cutting prowess combined with vinegar's natural cleaning properties will effortlessly dissolve soap scum and mineral deposits. No more battling stubborn residues or unsightly buildup, just a clean and inviting shower every time you step in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and watch this next video. Subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips on cleaning and organizing your home. Happy sweeping and see you in the next video.